Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still think it looks like a wave 5. We definitely got a big spike reversal on a lot of yen pairs, so we'll see what this ends up turning out to be. We do have some big dollar news later on this week. I mean, possibly, we could be seeing the end of a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, one thing you really had to notice is that this move down never took out even the body of this previous candle. So far, this is definitely still in an uptrend on the weekly time frame, and I actually think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. If anything, I think this is a 4, and I think we need to go up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is very clearly a uptrend for a wave 1. I think this is also very clearly a correction for a wave 2. Even on the daily time frame, price was not able to close and hold below structure. We do have to be very careful with thinking that these yen pairs are going down in a big way, because we are definitely in about a 4-year uptrend on all the yen pairs. I think if anything, it just might be the end of a wave 3, and it potentially could just make a wave 4, maybe bounce off like the 50% and then go back up for a wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. Like I said, the fact that this has not been able to break and hold below structure, it definitely would be pretty concerning for me looking for shorts. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this just rejected structure and just kept on going up, and it was actually still all part of a wave 3. But I would keep a close eye on it, because this could be a wave A, then it could go up and make a correction to this move down like a wave B. Then if you see the end of a wave B, that would be a really good short opportunity, and then if it turned into a wave 3, it would be like a bonus trade, because a wave C would go down to one of these fibs, and then you would still have some nice profit. But if it's not an ABC, but it's actually a 1, 2, 3, and you go short it right here, and it turns out to be a wave 3, that's going to be like a bonus trade, and you're going to make more money not knowing whether you're looking at an ABC or a 1, 2, 3. That's what I like to call learning and earning at the same time, which is the best way to go. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the fact that this is rejecting structure makes me pretty concerned. I think it's more likely it is going to make its way up, and it could be a correction to this last move down, or it could just keep on trending up in a trend reversal. The reason why I'm still so bullish is because all these higher time frames are still in an uptrend. I would be very cautious in thinking that these yen pairs are going down in a big way. If anything, maybe they'll just go up and make a correction and go down like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, or maybe they'll just keep on trending up from here, especially with the rejection of structure that we just got. No break of structure on the daily, weekly, or monthly. No lower high. No engulfing move to the downside on any of those higher time frames tells me that I am definitely primarily still looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.